It's your boy, Famous Animal TV. Plug to the streets, man. You trying to get your shit in the streets? Need you to come holler at me, who I got in the building with me.
Rico Denaro, baby, built by brother, let's Skreet, let's do it.
Yeah. Tall, y'all got some hot shit for me?
Yeah.
Tall, let me hear that shit, ding. Let go.
Repack.
Once again, I'm locked in with TP. We finna make a hit.
Yeah.
And I'm like Dia on my bitch, she drippin'. Heartbroke, ain't got no feeling. Broke her up the next day, he went missing. D nigga ready, keep telling my business. I don't drink shit, fucking on my kidney. Celebrate fat, no, she not eating Denny's. She wanna fuck, but let's screw on some top. A dummy, a thought, bitch, my nigga drop shit, ayy. I'm not a lover, yeah, I'm so cold, but I'm not undercover. Don't fuck with the Fed, they snitched on my brother. Don't hoe, call me Ed, cause I'm run with them colors. Screw just strike, cause it mine in the gutter. Word of my mother, these niggas on hold. Can't be with no nigga, be sharing they clothes. Pay main nigga, these niggas on fold. Shit, again and again.
Again and again, I fuck a bitch and a friend. Killing the straight from the back and I'm get out of 10. Just got to the M and I'm riding in the Benz. We walking down when it's time to go spin. Still fucking horn and still fucking friend. QC having Glock, we got 3 different gens. Look, it's still for the R8332. Can't come on these blocks, time I taking my geek, gon' end up on fall. Time I chase something down, 100 shots in the car. Got a switch, just got an AR in the car. AJ screaming fuck off. If you ain't seen the shot, you now one of my odds. Cats had AMG come straight out the light.
I pop and tell my auntie the bitch ain't fucking seen for me. I know some niggas who kick down your block and ain't hunt, put a dick on the Glock, I ain't come in.
Hit they block, jumping fish, they running, gon' bust on the face, put dick in the stomach. Still make a play, got a trap house jam, tell them don't call my phone if it ain't about the money.
Yeah, if it ain't about the money, my nigga trapping from Monday to Sunday. Say she ate the deal while I swerving the Hyundai, stepping on blood, jet hit the runway.
Style knocking nigga ass out like Deontay, real Ross, you don't want gunplay, make the hoe eat up the dick on the lunch break. I put the nuts on the stick, no run, baby.
I change the subject, I give a dick and she love it. I'm sipping on Bubby, double cup, it's not Robitussin. Say I be dogging on hoes, these bitches like Nathan.
AK in the barrel rush, good eye pack, we smoke your cousin. Smoke cook, can't scratch out up. We really got beef, we ain't doing no clip, let's go.
Let go. All this shit in the streets, that shit like coming out of Birmingham.
Yeah, that shit crazy. You feel me? It's a lot of shit going down there. This shit like the hood for real.
So you saying there's a lot going on? Is it street shit? Is it like music industry shit, rap shit?
Shit, everything. For real, nigga don't. I came from the streets, you feel me? We ain't really rap for real, you feel what I'm saying? We really was in the trap for real, you feel what I'm saying? These niggas don't be what we be on.
Coming from the trap to this music shit, how did you get into it? Did you see rappers coming through the hood?
Nah, not through my hood. I'm from Smithfield, you feel me? I'm from the project, so nah, not for real, you feel me? But
rappers ain't coming through that part.
Huh?
Rappers ain't coming through that part.
Nah. Oh yeah, I know somebody that rap down there. But you feel me? Yeah, he the only one though.
Yeah.
He the only one.
Real talk. So like, who inspired you to get in? What did you see that made you want to rap?
These niggas be lying. Yeah, these niggas be lying.
So you feel like you get on that motherfucker and speak some real shit.
For sure. Everything I gotta speak gonna be facts.
Real talk. So you rapping about this shit in your music?
Oh yeah, for real.
What you got out right now?
Oh, I just dropped shit with people though. I got shit with Bam out right now. I got a single myself on the block. And I just dropped shit with a double O.
With double O from M. So you fucking with the M? You connected with the M?
Yeah, we trying to get locked down here.
Real talk. What's that shit like? You know, being out of your city, coming down here to Memphis. What's that shit like?
Man, I ain't gonna let that shit turn. I like being on the road though. You feel me? Back to back. We been going there a while. We finna turn up though.
Real talk. Do they compare your music to other rappers?
No.
You ain't never heard nothing?
I ain't gonna lie, like, my brother them go tell you feel me? Like, off top, though, he do not rap like nobody from Birmingham at all. I don't rap like I'm from Birmingham.
Yeah, so do that make you stand out by you coming different on them?
Yeah. You feel me? You can tell. If you hear my music, you'll be like, no, where you from? You feel me?
Real talk. See, you got the ice and shit on. Like you saying, you got a deal?
That boy said, no, I ain't saying. That boy said, gold ropes around my neck, feel like Nino Brown, yeah.
Real talk. What jumped that in? What song that is in?
No, that ain't no song.
Ah, okay.
That ain't no song.
Real talk, real talk. So like you doing this shit, do you write? Do you like just go in freestyle? You know what they be saying, punch in and shit?
Man, sometimes nigga will freestyle, but when I write it be better, you feel me? Nigga gonna feel me when I write.
Real talk. Give me a junk you wrote and give me a junk you freestyle though.
Shit. Let me see what song I freestyle. Oh, I freestyle me and Bam shit. I wrote on the block. Yeah.
Real talk. So they see, could they tell the difference in it?
Yeah.
Real talk. Well, definitely. So like,
Sure.
which one of your singles been, you know, got the streets hot right now? Which junk they fucking with in the streets?
I ain't gonna lie, shit. What's going up right now? Man, Lil Dolph shit going up though. Yeah.
What's the name of that junk?
FaceTime.
FaceTime, 00. Real talk, real talk. When you doing features, you know what I'm saying? Do it be like you gotta come harder than the next motherfucker when you on the track?
I feel like I gotta every time I get out, if it ain't my song, you feel me, or I'm doing a song with somebody else, if they famous or not, you feel me, I feel like I really gotta stand out, you feel me? Because ain't no telling if what they gonna do. So I always gotta do what I gotta do, you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah. Real talk, real talk. Who you bump besides yourself? Like who you listen to? Like
I ain't gonna lie, I listen to real trap niggas. We listen to LTG, 42 Doug, you feel me?
that trap shit.
What that Babyface Ray, all that, you feel me? We do all that.
Real
We
talk.
fought the D for real though. Yeah, we fought the D, yeah.
Real talk. So like who been getting you game on this shit? Or doing this music shit?
On answer shit, Jug, and my cousin KT and Bam. You feel me? Ain't nobody, you feel me? Don't know what I'm saying? Like, ain't nobody really in the industry in our city they really, you feel me, that be down here. You feel me? Everybody, if you already had something popping 2 years ago or a year before, you feel me, you gonna be gone. You ain't finna be down here trying to help nobody, you feel me? These niggas be south.
Why you think it's like that though?
Man, I don't know.
You feel like nigga feel like
Nigga south for real. Like nigga say they do this for your city, do that. You feel me? But nigga ain't really like that for real. Nigga ain't really like that.
Okay, you know, like down here, motherfucker be like when you blow up and get them M's and shit, you gotta stay out the hood. A lot of rappers die in the hood, shit like that. Do you feel like when you get your bag and shit, you still gonna be going through the hood showing love?
I got to, bitch. Cause give same shit I'm saying on the interview, they gonna go back to the interview. Like, shit, you ain't did shit for your hood. I got to. But I be a hoe, you feel me? I don't get down like that.
Real talk. Most definitely. So like, being a rapper, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know a lot come with this rap shit, you know what I'm saying? Do you feel it though? It fits you? Think it's for you? Since you been doing it?
You feel me? I ain't got no, like, I fought with it, you feel me? It make a nigga feel better sometimes, you feel what I'm saying? But shit, I ain't gonna lie, bitch, I love trapping. I love trapping. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep you honest.
Real talk. Oh, definitely.
It got so serious to like Jug tried to pay me. You feel me? We gonna keep this a secret. Jug tried to pay me. He said, you gotta stay at the studio, bitch. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, bitch, you gotta stay at the studio.
They paying you to stay in the studio.
You feel me? They like them, brother, them. They tryna fight me and shit. They like, why you wanna go to the studio? I'm like, shit, y'all go in that motherfucker, y'all play it.
Real talk.
You feel me? Tight time like that.
Real talk. Most definitely. You know I ain't gonna hold you up and shit like that, but like, what's your whole purpose? You know what I'm saying? You trying to get the money, lifestyle, you trying to get them folks to hear your shit, hear what you saying. What's your whole purpose?
We got to show these folks going on. You feel me? They got you feel me? They got the attention of the wrong people. You feel me? We finna show them where it's at though.
Real talk. Oh, damn. How can they follow and keep up with you?
Shit, my Instagram is Rico Denaro. Feel my YouTube Rico Denaro. My Facebook Rico Denaro.
Real talk. Quick question. Where you get the name from? Why they start calling you that?
My uncle in the hood, they call my uncle Rico. You feel me? Dinero in Spanish, it mean money.
Damn.
Yeah.
Real talk. Most definitely. Let's go. Any shout outs for hoes you down rocking with you?
Oh yeah, man. Shout out my people, man. Shout out the churches. 8332 nigga know what going on. Posted up on 83rd every day, Twitter for it. Come copy your 448 and we get it going.
Talk hottest shit in the street. Let's go.